Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of the lasso tool and how to use it. Your lasso tool is found on the right-hand side. It looks like a lasso. Click it to get started. You'll see a plus sign. To draw your lasso, you're going to click, let go of your mouse's click, move your mouse to draw a line, continue to go. This can be any shape or size. You can zoom very close in and grab a very small area. Whatever makes you happy. Once you close that lasso, we get this dialog box. Export locations to file will allow you to export the information from the markers within the lassoed area to an Excel sheet. Edit data as a group batch. This allows you to edit, let's say you have a salesperson column. You can edit all of the salespeople for all of those markers at once if it's all going to be the same data. Optimize route to all locations will put those markers into the routing tool for you. Export contained boundaries to file. This gives you the ability in places where we have boundaries in the boundary tool to export a list of those. So you can export a list of, in this case, the zip codes or the counties within my lassoed area. Or you can delete all locations. Deleting all locations will delete all your locations. That's the overview for the lasso. If you choose not to do any of these, you can come back out here and just find the little X, and you can remove that lasso right from your map. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.